Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to update the DeepSeek AI app on your iPhone. So there are two ways to update your DeepSeek AI app. So let me show you how to do this. So the first and most easiest way is to go onto your App Store. Here you're searching for DeepSeek, all one word. And this is the icon which you're looking for, a whale. Go ahead and tap on it. And here, if there's an update on the App Store, go ahead and update it. It'll ask you to update it, so tap on it. And once updated, you can open the app. Now, the second way of updating the DeepSeek AI app is by going through the update option within the app. So here, go ahead and open the app. Next, tap on this two lines at the top left. Then tap on your email address at the bottom left. Now from here, go ahead and find check for updates. So as you can see, it's currently right now on 1.0.6, 79 release. So go ahead and tap on that. That'll automatically check for the latest update. And as you can see, the app is on the latest version. So by using this option, you can update it internally for the DeepSeek AI Assistant app. So there you go, guys. That is how to update your DeepSeek AI app on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.